Hi, welcome to Laura's Pandora. Today I'm going to show you how I made this giant Christmas gift box. It's more of a decoration, but I'm sure you could probably make it for an actual gift if you wanted to. So let's get started. Okay, you can see I've cut out all four sides. I'm actually going to make it 3 sides so I can easily remove it. I'm covering a porch chair with this, and I'm not sure on the dimensions. So I just measured the chair and I cut out the boards, plywood boards. They're pretty thin plywood boards, and laid them out how I wanted them to be. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to create little blocks that you're going to screw into on the corners. So I did some on the top area and the bottom area of the box. And you just screw in on one side and then prop up the front and the side to line it up. And then you're going to screw that front side. Make sure that when you're screwing, you're not screwing in the same area as the other side has, so you don't hit any of the screws. And then you're going to repeat that on the other side. So now you have a 3-sided square, a 3-sided cube. And I pre-drilled them so that I didn't have to worry about the wood splitting. Okay, the next step is the lid. So you're going to have the square on the top be a little bit extra larger than the area of the box. Then I cut out about, I'd say 9-inch wide plywood boards and cut those to the same length as the top. Pre-drilled the holes and then screwed it into the top. And I did the repeat of the sides. Made sure it matches. So I can have this Christmas box be slightly open or closed all the way. Kind of up to me sort of thing. Okay, now we're on to the wrapping, and I needed a helper to hold the paper and help me tape the wrapping paper. So you just kind of wrap it all the way around, and I used Dollar Tree wrapping paper, which costed altogether, I think that costed like $3 or $4 to wrap this gift. And I created a slit going down the middle, which I'm going to hide with a large ribbon that I make. So you're just going to tape the edges and make sure it's completely flat. Then you're going to wrap the lid. Okay, now we're going to add the decorative ribbon that goes down the middle and up on the top, and a decorative bow. I can't really find huge thick ribbon to match the box, and a regular ribbon size would just look silly. So I took some different colored wrapping paper, this mint stripe wrapping paper, and I cut about 9 inches wide strips. Then I added regular ribbon, red ribbon, and I hot glued the edges, so it just added a more distinct edge to the gift. So you're going to tape that strip to the top and down the middle. Then you're going to hot glue the ribbon, the regular ribbon, to the edges. And we kind of ran out of ribbon, so we just kind of worked with what we got. But I figured the bow's gonna hide most of it. Okay, so the bow, we did the same thing. We cut about 9-inch wide strips of this mint wrapping paper, and we hot glued a nice regular ribbon edge to it. And this regular ribbon has some wiring to it, so you're able to create the shape and make it bow. Okay, so you're just going to create teardrops, hot glue the ends, put them together kind of at an angle, do a middle bow, area, and then do 2 strips for the ribbon hanging off of it. And I also ran out of that ribbon, so I had to do a smaller red ribbon, but I think it worked out just fine. Looks great. And that is how I made this super huge, large Christmas gift. Hey, I hope this helps you in your Christmas decoration making this year, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.